Hey Tech Fam! Today we're reviewing a smartwatch that's blowing minds online. For just $4.67, down from $17.30, this LAXASFIT H9 Pro Max packs features you'd expect in watches 10x the price. Is it legit? Let's find out. Call answering, 24/7 health tracking, wireless charging, and yes, it even plays music. All under $5? Buckle up. This might be the smartwatch steal of 2024. Sleek alloy body, comfy silicone strap, and a 2.01-inch HD screen you can customize with your own photos. Perfect for workouts or meetings. Its built-in speaker lets you take calls hands-free, ideal for driving, gym sessions, or multitasking. Pair it via Bluetooth with any Android iOS phone. Track heart rate, blood oxygen, and calories 24/7. With 10+ sports modes, running, cycling, hiking, it's your ultimate workout buddy. Control music, get weather updates, and sync all app alerts. Plus, it supports 25+ languages. Yes, even Swahili and Arabic. No hunting for cables. Just drop it on its wireless pad. And with all-day battery, you're golden. While others charge $200 for these features, the H9 Pro Max gives you everything for 73% off at $4.67. It's a no-brainer gift for friends, family, or yourself. Tap the link below to grab yours. But hurry, deals this crazy sell out fast. So would I buy it? Absolutely. For $5, you're getting insane value. Drop a comment if you scored one, like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more tech gems, and hit that bell so you never miss a deal.